what is the mission of Artefact? At Artefact, we put the technology at the service of the business. So our mission is to help transform organizations toward more consumer-centric leaders thanks to the power of digital, data, and AI. First, brands have, I would say, understood the criticality of having direct access to consumer. By listening, personalizing, adapting their messages based on consumer feedback, brands are today much more powerful and growing. To this matter, there is actually a full transformation happening, which will be a radical shift in brands' way of operating. For example, we see a lot of drive-to-consumer projects like e-commerce, a lot of precision marketing projects such as personalizing the advertising, and a lot of new services coming in order to collect much more first-party data which will be critical in a cookieless future. Consumer centricity is not staying only at the marketing, it's spreading across the whole organization. It used to be only marketing centric, it's not the case anymore. We see now impact coming all around supply chain, sales, procurement, because actually becoming consumer centric, it's actually spreading data all over the organization. To do that, we see three magical ingredients. To be digital focus, because this is the only way for brands to have direct access to consumer. To be database, because you need data basically to adapt and to collect insight on consumers. And obviously AI, because you need the power of algorithm to personalize your communication. So digital, data, AI. We see these trends as a long-term tendency, which represent a potential for long-term growth for our client. First, let's zoom into digital. So digital e-commerce actually today represents 50% of total sales, and they should represent 25% in 2025. Data. Global demand for data project and data analytics project should actually multiply by 5 times in the next 4 years. And to finish AI, today only 12% of tier 1 companies are industrializing AI. This is expected to be 40% in 2025. So we ask ourselves what could be the impact of the crisis, COVID-19 crisis, in this tendency, and actually we are quite confident this crisis will not impact this trend, at least on the short to mid-term. First, digital e-commerce. So what we saw in the US, for example, we saw an irreversible increase of e-commerce sales by more than 40%. And this rapid increase in sales should not actually go down in the next few months or few years. Data. What we hear when we listen to our clients is that actually in these very troubled and difficult times, they need data actually to understand much more how consumers are shifting. We see increase in category by 300%, decrease in category by 300%. So the power of data is really important to understand this shift. And to finish AI technology are much more mature now, and they will be used by our clients, by big companies to reduce their cost. For example, we can reduce customer care by leveraging AI on social listening tool. We can reduce cost of customer care by 25%. So what is the role of Artefact? We see actually a paradox in this evolution. The paradox is coming from the fact companies are growing in a linear fashion. When you recruit people, when you train, when you learn skills, everything is going step by step in a linear way. The paradox comes from the fact technology, evolution of the speed of technology is going exponential, and the more time you spend, the more gap you have between linear growing organization and exponential fashion of technology. The role of Artefact is really to bridge the gap by providing expertise, tools, methodology to basically help our client go through this difficult gap. So, how we position ourselves? You understand now, we see Artefact in the middle between a marketing mind, we talk about consumer centricity, and a radical data focus. Actually, we think Artefact is one of the global leaders in these two areas, with great competitors as Jellyfish or S4, for example. We are also facing other type of competitor. We have traditional agency, great in marketing, but they don't have this native data focus. We have, I would say, technological mind consulting, very good in transformation and data transformation, but not very specialized in consumer. And we see traditional consultancy such as Bain, BCG, which are very good in transformation, but not specialized in data and consumer. So we do think actually our positioning is the right one to address these big challenges. And we think Artefact, thanks to its global footprint, and especially in Europe and China, which are very important and core for this transformation, has the right positioning to address this consumer centricity shift in the future.